station cleaned out. I hear Bible Thumper 914. I want to know who's going to step up to the plate and clean up this Coney Island base station. Trinitron9, Coney Island just got down.
Maryland, at least 3,000 feet above sea level. What you gonna do, Colin? Keep on a Mustang for?
Who's going to step up to the plate? Trinitron9 said, who's going to step up to the plate? Who's going to clean up my radio? Trinitron9 said, who's going to step up to the plate? Who's going to clean out my radio? Trinitron9, Coney Island just got down.
Get that, around Coney Island. Hey, Trinitron9, I should be looking uptown Coney Island. Tweet down here a little bit. Keep up the good work while you're making all them video gates. Hey, Trinitron9, Coney Island, good news on the sun pile is getting down.
Hey, good news, you all by yourself right there. Hey, good news, you all by yourself right there, and the video gate don't lie. Hey, good news, Sam Powell, you was all by yourself right there, and the video gate don't lie. Good news, Trinitron9 walking in the water. Break.
Video getting off. Trinitron9, watch out for two fingers of death, man. Some boy up there called us two fingers of death in Philly. That motherfucker put them all down, show did. Hello to you, two fingers of death. Hello, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Nationwide good news, downtown Lake City, Florida. I'm shouting it out.
By good news, we'll do it again. I'll catch you in the next wave of the Coney Island. Hey, good news, I'll catch you in the next wave of the Coney Island. Bye. Who else gonna step up to the plate and put it where I can get it out here in these deep waters of Coney Island? Who else gonna step up to the plate and clean out this radio around Coney Island? Trinitron9 standing by.
All right, Joe, we heard that, we did. All right, you take care of that. Rattlesnake, all those good numbers you have.
Trinitron9 don't do no ghost talking. I ain't afraid of no ghosts, and I walk on this water at the Coney Island. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, trying to get this base station cleaned up. Break. Here I come again, walking on the water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Here I come again, walking on the water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Trinitron9 just got down.
Gone.
Here I come, gun. A big gun, here I come, walking on the water, riding the wave. A big gun, here I come, walking on the water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Break.
Hey, Trinitron9, I just wired another dump checker microphone. I just finished wiring a Minuteman 2.
Yeah, that Minuteman 2 is sounding good, man. You're doing your thing. You're cleaning out my video gate. Hey, gun, you're doing your thing. You're cleaning out my video gate in Coney Island. The video gate don't lie. Break.
Hold on, you Trinitron9, you better be walking and talking. That's all I want to hear.
And that's a Top Gun Roger. Keep it the good word. Hey, Top Gun, keep it the good word. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Bye.
Okay, Trinitron9, want to switch to another radio, gun down.
Bye.
Who's that out there breaking for me?
Who else gonna get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island and clean up my radio? Who else can get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island and clean up my radio? Trinitron9 right there, right now. Break. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters. Let me pull this thing up out of the deep waters. Let me get this anchor out of the deep waters and go back to the shoreline. Trinitron9, the man walking on the water, riding the waves of the Coney Island, just got down.
Trinitron9, Top Gun switch to another radio, the same Minuteman 2 microphone. What you think, right?
It's all there. You all by yourself, Top Gun. You all by yourself. The video gate don't lie. You all by yourself. The video gate don't lie. Break, break, break.
So you think it sound better on the second radio or the first radio that break?
I can't even tell, man. They both so good. I can't even tell. They both a keep. You can go back and forth to each one of them and enjoy your radio, man. Don't throw nothing away. You keep them both. They both winners. Hey, Top Gun, they both winners. Break, break, break.
Just switch from radio to radio. Trinitron9.
Got it all, you said it all. Hey, Top Gun, I got it all, you said it all. Let everybody know I did wave a hand from Coney Ellen. Hey, Top Gun, let everybody know I did wave a hand from Coney Ellen. Bye, bye, bye.
Trinitron9, big gun in the water with a small ball. Stubborn.
Bye, 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 bye. Come again, walking on that water, riding the wave of the Coney Ellen. Here I come again, walking on that water, riding the wave of the Coney Ellen. Good afternoon on the band. It's a good day to walk on this water. It's a good day to walk on the water. Trinitron9, just got down. I heard you in Alabama. I'm going to wave a hand to you. I heard you around Alabama. I'm going to wave a hand from the deep waters of Coney Ellen. I heard you around Alabama. Trinitron9 with the wave. Got down.
They call me 515 in New York. 515, and I got down. They call me 515 in the Big Apple, New York. 515, New York City, back wide.
And you're smoking. Hey, 515, you're smoking. Hey, 515, you're smoking. Take care, 515. Trinitron9, walking on the water. Get down.
Hey, Trinitron, say some fly for yourself, man. Say some fly for yourself, Trinitron. Walking and talking.
Yeah, well, the video gate don't lie. Hey, 515, the video gate don't lie, man. I got bigger numbers on you than I think I ever had on you. The video gate don't lie. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.
Right back. 1111, 515 with the wave, Trinitron, you already know.
Check.
Trinitron9, SharpShooter in the pile, waving.
Hey, SharpShooter in the pile, I'm waving right back. SharpShooter in the pile, I'm waving right back. Good afternoon. SharpShooter in the pile. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.
SharpShooter in the pile, got down.
Bye.
Didn't mean to be so rude, just thought I would try. It seems like I put some load on the dog, shut him down. Trinitron9, Top Gun stubborn.
Hey, Top Gun, you still doing your thing in Coney Ellen, man. You still doing your thing in Coney Ellen. Hey, Top Gun, you still doing your thing in these deep waters of Coney Ellen.
I just don't know what. Okay, Mr. Trinitron9, appreciate it. All your box, read the mail.
Check.
Excuse me. Hello. Excuse me.
Bye, SharpShooter. Tell him I said good afternoon. Bye, SharpShooter. Tell him I said good afternoon. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Bye. Thanks for keeping my fiber alive. The man walking on the water, riding the waves of the Coney Ellen. Just got down.
Because he wasn't there.
Yeah, I'm waving right back. Good afternoon. Waving right back.
Out in the Mobile.
Roger D, out in the Mobile. No doubt about it. else gonna clean up this Coney Island base station? Trinitron9 wanna know who else gonna put it where I can get it. I need my radio cleaned out. I don't ghost talk, I ain't afraid of no ghosts, and I walk on this water. Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down. Hey Top Gun, if you're still out there, I'm gonna pull it back. Hey Top Gun, if you're still out there, I'm gonna pull it back. Top Gun and all the good time gang. Trinitron9 gonna go back to the shoreline. I'll catch y'all on the next wave of the Coney Island. Trinitron9, got down.
Bye, Trinitron9. I say bye for everyone. Trinitron9. Trinitron9, Top Gun say bye for everybody. Trinitron9, Top Gun gone.
Hey Top Gun, you said bye for everybody. I heard you. You said bye for everybody. Somebody tried to get in there right before you keyed up. I think it was Frankenstein. But Top Gun, you said bye for everybody. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Got down.
Oh, you Trinitron9, you got it all. You said it all. Big gun, blue waters with a international bye. Trinitron9, big gun, let's go.
Bye, bye, bye.
Just let them know we're walking and talking. 515 in the Big Apple trees, Eastern Seaboard, got down. Good evening, right back. Top Gun on the mail. Trent, no call, 515.
Hey Pistol, I don't know, man. I'm walking in the water. I'm concentrating in the water. I'm looking ahead, keeping my eyes on the prize. I don't know, Pistol. Trinitron9, walking on the water, keeping my eyes on the prize, and I just got down.
You don't hear that, boy. You don't hear that, boy, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron, you don't hear that, boy.
Nah, I don't hear him when you key up. Hey, 515, I don't hear him when you key up. The video gate don't lie. The video gate don't lie.
Let him know. On me to you. He can step on me to you. That's from the... Alright, I'm gonna get back quiet. Stop. Sit down and kiss the baby, crackhead. So I gotta call his name.
Alright, y'all both sounding good in these deep waters of Coney Island, no doubt about it. Y'all both sounding good in these deep waters of Coney Island while I walk in the water and keep my eyes on the prize. Trinitron9, get down.
Just walking on that cyclone, Trinitron. Just walking on that cyclone.
No doubt about it.
Coming up and good into. Hey, know you what you say. Let me see. 20 got coffee on the Loki.
Hey, Lucky 7, you sounding good in Coney Island? Hey, Lucky Man, Lucky 7, you sounding good in Coney Island? The video gate don't lie. The video gate don't lie. Lucky 7, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you and your family, my man. Right there, right off from the Loki man.
Right back, Lucky Man. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good weekend coming up. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Saludos, Lucky 7. Saludos. Nene malo, 515 lo que hay. Hey, nene malo, mi brother. Esperando que esté bien. Tú y lo tuyo de parte de Loki man. Ahí mismito, saludos. Dios te bendiga a la familia, ya tú sabes. 515 lo que hay, nene malo. God. Trent, you might have to title that Wepa.
Title it what, Pistol?
How about your Trinitron9, 211 Texas Drive?
8211 Texas, here I come walking on the water. 8211 Texas, here I come walking on the water. Good afternoon. 8211 Texas, here I come walking on the water. Good afternoon. By 211. I heard you calling me, but I see you got another phone call. You know I don't do no ghost talking, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. By 211. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
Trinitron ain't afraid of no ghosts because he's a witch doctor. But Trinitron ain't afraid of no ghosts because he's a witch doctor. Watch out.
We're gonna get it back to Coney Island and clean out my radio. Trinitron9, want to know who gonna get it back to Coney Island? I need my base station cleaned up. Trinitron9, walking underwater. Break, break, break.
Hey, Trinitron9. T9, watchmaker, we'll try again. T9, here, 409. Watchmaker, top side of the power break.
Right back, watchmaker, right back, watchmaker, right back, watchmaker, top side of the pile, you got it in that time around. Hey, watchmaker, top side of the pile, you got it in that time around. Watchmaker, Trinitron9, break, break, break.
711-515 with the wave. 711-515 New York, waving the hand. You're 711-127 now. No contact on Trinity. 925, pretty boy, getting on down.
Hey, pretty boy Floyd, here I come. You said no copy on Trinitron9. I heard you when they got up the key. Hey, pretty boy Floyd, I heard you when they got up the key. Hey, pretty boy Floyd, here I come, walking on the water. Hey, pretty boy Floyd, here I come, walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Hey, T9, I got you when you came back. T9, I had you in there. Somebody came over the top of you. Hey, T9, 541. Standing by. How about...
And I heard you, watchmaker. I heard you, watchmaker. Take care, pretty boy Floyd. I heard you, watchmaker. Take care, pretty boy Floyd. Pretty boy Floyd. Trinitron9, got down. Bye, pretty boy, you back quiet. Pretty boy, you back quiet. Take care, pretty boy Floyd. Trinitron9, got down.
Hey, Trinitron, I need you to do some voodoo, man. Hey, Trinitron, do some of that voodoo. Clear up this channel.
Well, you know I walk on that water and ride the waves. Hey, 515 bad boy, you know I walk on the water and ride those waves. Bye, bye, bye.
Roger, just make sure you put that crackhead voodoo down to sleep. Put that crackhead voodoo down to sleep.
I'm keeping my eyes on the prize. Hey, bad boy, you know I gotta keep my eyes on the prize.
No doubt about it. That's right. I said, you know that, man. I just hit him in the head all the time. Tell him to go to sleep and kiss the baby.
My goodness gracious. The video gate don't lie. I'm getting ready to cut this gate in about another minute there. I'm gonna cut the gate in another minute there. I'm just gonna let the gate roll. I ain't gonna even care no more unless somebody call me. You got another minute to play with the gate. Trinitron9, got down.
Do your thing, Trinitron, do your thing, and I'm gone. That's how I walk, sing that. I just sit back and crush the crackhead. Crush the crackhead, crush the crackhead. T9, small hammer, top side of spring.
A small hammer, top side of spring, I heard you. A small hammer, top side of spring, I heard you. Trinitron9 with the Coney Island wave just got down.
But you were earlier, somebody else coming in there. I don't know where it's from. But you were definitely on top. I don't know. Yeah, but you're still walking on water and riding that wave. No two ways about it.
Bye, watchmaker. Bye, watchmaker. You got the last word on the gate. Hey, watchmaker, you got the last word on the gate. Take care, watchmaker. The man walking on the water said bye, bye, bye.